Okay guys, so this mower belonged to my neighbor, and obviously it's not working. The reason is he leave it sit for about 3-4 years untouched, and before that, this is an old mower and he never had any services on it. So now that he tried to start it again, of course it's not gonna start at all. I helped him out a little bit already. We took out the the air filter, and actually I took the whole carburetor out to clean it for him already. I like cleaning, and the condition of the carburetor is just really bad. So cleaning is not always gonna solve your problem. When we put it back, nothing worked. It's still leaking fuel. I tell him, I'm not gonna spend more time to deep clean your bad carburetor, because buy aftermarket carburetors only cost about $8, $10, something like that. As a matter of fact, we went to eBay, already ordered one of them. It cost about $8 something, $8.50, something like that. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to order a carburetor online, and it will help fix your problem. In most cases, if your mower still have all the label and things that are available, for example like this one, you can just put in the model number, go to Craftsman site. Actually Craftsman probably maintained by Sears, and you can go to the Sears site, type in the model number and check for the carburetor, and it will give you a carburetor part number. And after that you can just go to eBay and or go search online anywhere, not necessary eBay, and you'll be able to find a correct carburetor for your mower. Or in some case, the mower label is all bad and you can't see anymore. Another way to see it is if you have brake instructing engine, like this case. On the side they always have a plate here that will have the part number there also. Now this case is kind of rusty. I'm not sure. I hope you guys can see it. But if you have this part number of the motor, you can go to Brake Instructant's website and search for it, and we'll come back and let you know the carburetor part number as well. And with that, you can go buy a carburetor. Okay, let's just remove this. Okay, let's just put the carburetor 516. Definitely need to replace this. Screw in. The free screw in here, they're all 516. Okay, so that's removed. You notice this red stuff here, actually, every time I remove these kind of old mower, dirty mower, this air gasket in here is always turned bad. And so last time we tried with a temporary gasket, as this will not work. If you buy this gasket alone, this can cost you like $8 or something like that. So that's why I'm saying sometimes it's really not worth your time to try to rebuild the carburetor and clean and try to replace every single part. So this is the fuel line that you need to remove in order to remove the carburetor. This is the air line, so not going to worry about it. So if you still have fuel inside the tank, you need a container or something to block this line. Use a golf tee or a screw or whatever, and sometimes just remove this and drink it out to a container. It's fine. Still have some little bit of fuel in here. It's not a lot, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. If you have a lot of fuel, that's what you need to do. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So after you remove that, there's only 2 bolts, one in here, one in here. You need to remove in order to remove this carburetor, and there's a linkage in here. You will need to remove that when you slide out the carburetor too. You're gonna need a 3/8 socket for these 2 bolts here. So okay. Okay, so that's the original carburetor. That's that little ring here that for the gasket. Alright, so let's open up this one. So it only took about 2 days to ship to me. It's really quick, by the way. It came with the 2 gasket already, and that's the carburetor. I mean, for $8.50, I mean, I really don't see any point to clean this at all. Just the carburetor cleaner is cost about $2, and then you have to suck on the film when you're doing it for half an hour, and then you lose all the gasket. You have to go buy the gasket, and you have to replace the O-ring. Unless it's some antique carburetor, there's no point. So I'm just gonna put this in and see what happens. And the good thing is, it's come with 2 brand new gaskets already. So let's open this, get the gasket out. That's the little ring that go to here. In this case, I'm just gonna slide up here first. Before I put it on, put the linkage back, sort of twist it. There we go. That's up. Yeah, tighten it. Put the fuel line back. Just get a drop or 2 drops from your dipstick. Drop it. Okay, so time to put this airbox back, housing back. Make sure this line here, this channel here, is clean and nothing in it blocking it. Your primer bulb will not work if you have something that is, you know, stuck in that little hole there. Okay, with the gasket installed on the box first, now you can put it back in. Slide this back here. So the carburetor install is complete. Somehow his air filter did not arrive, so I'm going to just use this back for now. Probably not a very good idea, but you know, just for the testing, I just use this back. We sort of blow it clean. It was just really ridiculously dirty last time when we opened it. It's just alright, go get some fuel and we'll test this thing a little bit. Okay guys, so I have some fresh gas, put it into the mower, ready to go. That's the primer, 1, 2, 3. It's not going to work without this parking battery. Alright? Alright, this is for real. Excellent. See how easy it is to just, you know, spend about $8.50, $9. You can have the carburetor replaced within like 15-20 minutes, and your mowers will back on and work again. Thanks again for you guys for watching, and please leave me some comment. Love to hear from you, and please like and subscribe. I'll definitely post more interesting video for you guys. Thank you. Excellent.